Hello, welcome to my kitchen, which...
It's my kitchen.
Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna be doing my chem project, which is testing acid and bases. So, how are we gonna test acid and bases if we don't have an indicator? Well, an indicator, for those of you asking, is a substance that changes color depending on the pH of an acid or a base. And each color indicates a different pH level. Since we don't have an indicator or anything like that, we have a red cabbage. A red cabbage, well, which I think is more like
Purple.
but
Either ways.
these have something in them. They have like, well, what the leaves release or the pigmentation of it changes due to acid or bases. So that's what we're going to be testing in this video. So again, this is my chem project and not a cooking video, even though it's going to seem a lot like a cooking video. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to my beautifully creative decorated counter. So here on the counter we have a red cabbage, which I'm probably going to call purple because it's purple. For this part of our lab, we're gonna use a cabbage, a strainer, and
A pot of boiling hot water.
which I am already preheating. With the cabbage, we're gonna get it and cut it up into little pieces. I had never cut a cabbage or lettuce or anything. I don't really know what we're supposed to do, but I guess we could just peel off the leaves and then measure out 1/4 if you're using 2 cups of water. Okay, so luckily I've taken a cooking course in one of my programs that I attended. So we're just gonna put it all together. I remember we did this with, I think it was cilantro, but by the looks of it, it's pretty similar. So we're just gonna put it up together like this. So now we're just gonna bunch it up all together. I think, I'm not sure, right there. And we're just gonna be really quiet and we're gonna listen to this. Okay. I think this was probably the worst ASMR I've done, but by doing this, we're making it easier for the pigmentation of the leaves of the red cabbage, said it correct, not purple, to seep into the water while it's boiling. And then we're gonna measure out into cups. And then after that, we're gonna test our acid and bases. Okay, so I guess we got a good amount. And this is a little thing, but like, I think I used too much cabbage. So we're gonna see how much it fits in there, and then that will be 1/8. So we're gonna do this like this. So this is a 1/8 measurement. And then we're gonna move the rest of the cabbage aside. Probably make a salad with it. The counter is clean, just for if you wanted to know. Here we have the hot water. And we're just gonna get 1/8 of the cabbage and pour it in. There's good. Oh wait, was it 1/4? Uh-oh, I didn't oopsies. I don't think it really matters because due to the fact that we just need the color of it, right? Oh my god, I feel bad for my chemistry teacher watching this. Okay, so we're gonna put this over on the oven and let it boil until the color seeps out, and then we'll be right back with the containers, and we're gonna be filling them up with the cabbage water. Peace. Okay guys, so here is the cabbage water, freshly boiled. Get ready for your soup, guys, because things are about to get wild. So here we have our strainer, and here we have our cabbage water, and here we have our containers. pretty much we're gonna strain the cabbage water with the strainer into one of these containers. And we're gonna do this for 3 containers. So a little bit of water there, a little bit of water here, and a little bit of water there. Looks pretty equal to me. Quick notes on this. It looks almost blue, but it's like purple, but it gets almost a turquoise color. I don't know. I have trouble distinguishing between blue and purple. I usually get those colors really mixed up. It's crazy. Either ways, whatever color you see it, that's probably the color that it is, which is, I think it's blue, but that one looks more purple, but this one looks blue. Either ways, good. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set these aside. Should we put them over here? We should put them back here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Clear out with the flowers. And we'll be right back with all our other substances. We'll be right back with all our other substances. Good. Okay guys, so here we have our first 3 substances, which is soda, milk, and baking soda. Pretty much to conduct the first trial of our experiments, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the substance in this cup and we're gonna dump it into the indicator, which is the cabbage water. The cabbage water will change colors, and then therefore we can determine if it's an acid, a base, or neutral. How are we gonna know if it's an acid, base, or neutral? Well, if it's an acid, the cabbage water will turn reddish pink. If it's neutral, it will stay the color that it is, which I still don't know if it's blue or purple. And if it's a base, it will turn bluish green or even yellow. We're gonna start first with the soda. Okay, so here we go. Soda. Dump it in. Oh my god. That was wow. Oh my god. Wow, that was so cool and so fast. It happened like right before my eyes. Okay, so we can tell soda is an acid because it turned pink, bright pink. That's so cool and so cute. Oh my god. Well, up next is milk. So here we have the milk, and now we're gonna pour it in. That's so pretty. Okay, so it turned a purple. So we can probably label this as a neutral, is baking soda. So here we have some baking soda in a cup, and we're gonna pour it in. Just sprinkle it in like this. And oh, that's a little too much baking soda. Oh, it had a little reaction. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna mix this in to activate it. And it's pretty much green, but since it looks green, we're gonna label it. So pretty cool, really neat. So now time for round 2. Here we are again with our second round of 3 substances. This is the last round of substance because there were 6. Here we have OJ, orange juice. Here we have some lime. I didn't have any lemons. And vinegar, it's apple cider vinegar. I think it will do the same.
Hopefully.
We're gonna start first with our orange juice. So we're gonna just pour it in. Ah, it's an
Acid.
Next up is the lime. The lime is freshly squeezed lime, so that's pretty cool. We're just gonna pour it in. Wow, that's almost red. That's red. That's pretty cool. Lastly, we have vinegar, which I probably also think it's an acid. That's pretty cool. So this is pretty cool that they're all acids, and therefore we can start drawing conclusions in this little video. This was a really, really cool experiment. It was really fun. Hello, it's me again. So this concludes the end of our video / experiment kind of cooking thing. Pretty fun. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you learned something from it, because I know I learned a lot from this. It was pretty cool. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and catch you on the next one. Bye.